that their children should return home in time. This move is an excellent move by Revanth Reddy Garu, and we are thankful to the law enforcing agency who are fully rendering their services and enforcing the law. This is Manava Seva. ఇదే మానవ సేవ. ఇటువంటి చేస్తే ఇదే మాధవ సేవ ఉంటుంది. చాలా పేరెంట్స్కి ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది. పిల్లలు ఇది హోటల్స్ 24 hours ఉంటే రాత్రి ఉంటే అందరూ పోయి అక్కడ కూర్చుంటారు. దిస్ ఎన్ఫోర్స్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ లా ఫర్ క్లోజింగ్ ది షాప్స్ at 10:30 is the excellent move.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock and 10:30 is the
12 o'clock.
10:30 also shops has
No, only 12 o'clock.
only 12 o'clock. But we really appreciate. But I have seen on social media move that in 10:30 it is written. But 12 o'clock,
No,
I think it
10:30 is wrong. That is only wrong posting.
wrong posting.
Wrong posting only 12 o'clock.
We really appreciate that even quite early also, because they can do the business in their full-fledged hours. The night business is just making the chabutra sitting. That is avoiding. The parents are very happy.
Okay.